Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you didn't overdo it with the turkey and the pumpkin pie. Here we are in week 6. I feel like every week I say it's going fast, but you guys already know that. 1 week away from midterm exams, 2 weeks away from reading week. Let's dive straight into the week 6 learning module. Little video there, Mr. Bean. Not sure if you're familiar with Mr. Bean or not. There's Mr. Bean taking an exam, a little bit of comic relief. And take note, we are doing a midterm test for this course online this week. I'll explain that very soon. Heading into the week 6 learning module here. Before we start, stop, little test taking preparation strategy for you there, just to help you identify what you need to invest your time in. Starting with things you don't know first. We tend to study the things that we already know because it's easier and it's less confronting for us. It's actually a good procrastination strategy. We study the things we already know because it feels good, but we should be starting with the things we don't know. I'm not going to take you through every learning objective this week. I think by week 6 you guys know what's going on there. I'll let you explore and discover that on your own, but I do want to talk to you a little bit about the midterm test. So objective 1, test taking strategies, relieving test anxiety and stress, the importance of physical activity and the effect it has on cognition and brain function. And then we're introducing you to scholarly articles, which will sort of set us up for the next few weeks and the second half of the semester, where the course is a little bit more about academic skills to do with research and APA formatting, things like that. Now let's take a little look at the midterm test. 30 multiple choice questions. Each one is worth 0.5% of your final grade, so a total of 15%. You will have 60 minutes to complete the test, and it needs to be done before midnight next Monday. It opens today at noon. It'll just pop up there on your blackboard, so you have almost a week to complete that. Once you start, you must finish it. There's no going back to it later. So you start, you complete the 30 multiple choice questions, and then it's submitted to me. You can't go back and look at it again. The questions are all randomized, so no two people will be taking exactly the same test. Same questions, completely randomized order of those questions. So you just click on this little link here. Resource unavailable. Oh, that's because it's not open until midday today, so it's not letting me look at it either. So after 12 today, you'll be able to go in there and start the test. If you have any problems, let me know. Like I said, you have up until midnight next Monday. After that, it's going to be closed. So that's the important thing to remember. You've got an hour. Once you start, you must finish it, and there are no resubmissions of that test. It's all stuff we've covered so far this semester. I don't think you'll find it too difficult. Any questions, please email me. And if anybody wants to meet with me during the week to discuss anything, please let me know and we can set that up. Enjoy this week. Don't get too stressed looking at your midterms for next week. Take note of the the tips that I've provided you this week about managing stress. Do a little bit of yoga if that's your thing. And keep up the good work. I'll talk to you next week.